back, beautiful family. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. And today I want to share with you a very delicious turkey wings recipe. Easy, no fuss, and that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing, easy recipe turkey wings, these are the ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, mayonnaise, mustard, salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and of course, the star of this recipe, the wings of the turkey. I added the neck, the liver, and the rest of the ingredients. I hope, my friends, you make this delicious and amazing homemade recipe made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start by first making the mixture that I'm going to cover the wings with. I have some mayonnaise here. I have 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of a cup of mustard, and 1/4 and a cup of apple cider. Let me tell you, when you make these turkey wings, you are going to love them. First of all, you don't need to babysit it. This recipe, you don't need to babysit. You just mix everything, put it in the oven for 1 hour, and then it is ready to be enjoyed. Here, I'm going to add my black pepper. I'm going to add my salt. I'm going to add my garlic powder right into all these creamy textures you have here. And of course, don't forget your smoked paprika. The smoked paprika is really going to elevate the flavor of the turkey wings. Of course, remember that the salt is to taste. And let me show you how this looks. From close up, you could really see the spices, see the mustard, the mayonnaise, and of course the apple cider vinegar. Now I am ready to incorporate really good, making sure that everything is well incorporated. This part is very important. You want to make sure that this is all nice and creamed and that there's no lumps at all, and that you are ready to slather all this mixture into the turkey wings. Look at this. And like I said, no need to babysit. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and you could enjoy these crispy and delicious, moist turkey wings. Now I have my gloves on. Of course, I added the little baggie that comes inside the turkey. Look, I added all those little pieces. And I'm going to cover everything with the amazing creamy mixture. Of course, the wings I washed, I rinsed, I dried really good. And now I am ready to get nice and dirty with all this mixture that I'm going to add right on the top. Remember, the wings really come out really crispy from the outside, but yet the meat is going to be so tender and moist. Just amazing. I am ready to grab it, cover everything, making sure that everything is nice and coated with this creamy, delicious mixture. Look at this. Very easy to prepare, but yet with so much delicious flavors. You want to make sure that you cover them really good, just like that. Look at this. Make sure you really get all the edges, everything coated. And once this is done, then you are ready to go. I am going to just organize them in here. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to cover it with with foil paper. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to take it to the oven for about 1 hour, no more than 1 hour, and they're going to come out crispy and delicious. Look at this. Once they come out of the oven, I want to show you how they look. They're really, really hot. Let me show you how crispy they are. When you flip them over, every single piece, it's really nice and crispy. Look at this. That's exactly how you want your wings. So you could really chew on them and enjoy every piece of them. Well, now that I flipped them over, I'm going to cover it one more time so that I can start making this amazing rice with corn. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to let it rest, come to room temperature while I make this amazing homemade rice. I have 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of corn, chicken bouillon, vegetable oil, and of course water. Remember, to every cup of rice you add 2 cups of water. I'm going to add everything in my rice cooker. This is going to be even easier because the holidays are here and you don't want to spend so much time in the kitchen babysitting a recipe when you can make something delicious and amazing and not be worried how long it's going to take. I have to be opening, I have to be doing this or doing that. No, just add everything like I did with the turkey wings and then let them cook for 1 hour. And of course, the rice is going to be done in about 15 minutes. I am so ready to enjoy these turkey wings with this delicious and amazing rice. I am ready to plate it. Of course, I'm going to add the rice right on the bottom. As you could see, it's really nice and hot. And that's exactly how I like to enjoy my food. Nice and hot and delicious. I'm ready to add my rings right on the top. And I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to enjoy it. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this video and this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am ready to eat. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing turkey wings. Look at this. I added some white rice with corn, and this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The meat is really tender, really moist, but yet crispy from the outside. This is just perfection made at home. It's an amazing recipe at home, and enjoy it with your beautiful family on Thanksgiving. Just amazing. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing turkey wings recipe made at home with lots of love. Bye-bye.